I'm Lene Schneller with Lene's Gourmet Pickles, and today I'm going to show you how to make green tomato pickles with brown sugar. First, what you want to do is prepare the brine. So we're going to take a cup of vinegar and mix in 3/4 of a cup of packed brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of pickling salt, a teaspoon of mustard seed, and a teaspoon of allspice. We're going to put this on the stove and bring it to a low boil just until the brown sugar is dissolved. Then you can turn it off and just let it sit until we're ready to fill our jars. So we're going to take a glass mason jar, and I like to half my green tomatoes, but you can cut them up however you like. So cut them in halves, and we're going to pack the jar with green tomatoes and mix in some onions, about a 1/4 cup of onions in the jar as well. Fill the jar almost to the top, but leave a little bit of room make sure that you have plenty of room for the brine. So once it's packed, we're going to take our brine that's already been prepared, and we're going to pour it into the jar and leave about a 1/2 inch of headroom, just enough at the top, and seal it with a lid. And then we're going to process it. We're going to put it in a hot water bath for 10 minutes. Afterwards, let it sit for a week or two to let the flavors combine, and you'll have delicious homemade green tomato pickles with brown sugar.